It's a little bit of a cop-out answer, but it's all three. You have to control not only the model, you have to control the agent, you have to control the actions, the resources that they're touching. The introduction of any one new resource that needs to be governed in a particular way changes the entire relationship that that resource has to all other resources being acted on. So you actually have to care about all of them and the intersection of all of those things. Patterns of least access. I think right now, especially in agentic AI, there's this motion towards patterns of maximum access, almost giving agents the ability to run arbitrary commands, write arbitrary code, execute it. It's becoming a little bit of a headache in real enterprise scenarios. It works okay if you're just running it on your laptop. Not so great if you're running it at enterprise scale. So it really is thinking concretely about what agentic identities even are, what permissions agents should have, and how all that intersects with the things you're already running in the enterprise. I mean, fundamentally, AI factories are really about supply of tokens. And tokens by themselves don't actually have value until they're used for something. So ultimately, you have to connect supply and demand. The demand lives in the enterprise. The demand is all the use cases that you're driving agentically and the ways that you're transforming the business. And the AI factory is how you supply that at a reasonable rate. So it's really about the combination of those two things. And actually, the bottleneck is not really just in producing the tokens, but utilizing those tokens for something accretive to the business.